Meow. Meow. Is Charlie there? You never met me. I'm Peepaw's cat. When you come to Peepaw's house again, maybe we can play together. Monkey is sleeping, so that's why he is not here. When you come here again, we can play London Bridge is falling down together. That sounds like fun. Well, I have to go. Tell Roman I said hi. Bye-bye.